Good evening, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Sounds of the Valley, where I bring you the finest musical talent from the Chippewa Valley area. As always, I'm your host, Evan Claymar, and tonight I'm very excited to bring you Eau Claire singer-songwriter and member of the Bear Creek Band, Emm K. It's great to have you on.
Thank you.
I'll let you take it from here.
Awesome. Hey, everyone. The first song I'm going to do, it's a cover by a phenomenal singer-songwriter and lyricist, Damien Jurado. And this song always tends to find me at my just low lows, and it shines a light on me even at rock bottom. It's called Beacon Hill. Keeping you close, falling behind. I lost my voice, you lost your mind. You say you're not well, I say you're fine. Walking with me through the aisles of a drugstore, and if you return to me, oh, if you return to me, your mother's a fake, a phantom who steals a smile on my face. Is not how I feel. I'll check you in if you check me out. Some lonesome wrist cutter who says I'm her brother. And if you return to me, oh, if you return to me, was I the ghost of one of your voices you hear in your head? You're out killing horses. I'll check you in if you check me out. One for the road and two for the memory. And if you return to me, oh, if you return to me. I read your reviews, I studied the lines, I know them so well. My life's now a tragedy. One for the road and two for the plane. I will be fine as long as you take me. And if you return to me, oh, if you return to me, it's alright, baby, it's alright, baby, it's alright, baby, it's all right. Thank you. Amazing lyricist. Check him out, Damien Jurado. Phenomenal. Another amazing songwriter and lyricist. I met her down in Nashville. I lived in Nashville this summer, which was everything I expected and everything I could have never expected. And her name is Lauren Freebird, and we co-wrote this song together, and it's called Floating Bodies, which, if you can't tell, I'm a pessimist at heart. And it's just about, life throwing you all these choices, and it's hard to choose, and sometimes you regret them. I'm the captain and the sailor, so much to decide. can't find where to put my anchor, floating on the waves of life. Walk away, losing faith, not much here for me. Daydream haze, not a phase, freedom over money any day. Catch me slipping away from all my problems. Keep on swimming, hoping it'll solve them. Going under, my head is underwater. Floating bodies from those who've tried before. Feel I'm struggling for air, not sure I'm gonna get there. Feel I'm struggling to care, 'cause what I want is on land. Losing faith, walk away, not much here for me. Daydream haze, not a phase, freedom over money any day. Catch me slipping away from all my problems. Keep on swimming, hoping it'll solve them. Going under, my head is underwater. Floating bodies from those who tried before. The open seas at my hand, caught up in the whirlwind. Going under, my head is underwater. Floating bodies from those who've tried before. Yeah, I love that song. Thank you, thank you. Let's see. So, I am actually in a Midwest grunge rock band, and funny enough, we are called Valley Kill. So I hope we can make it on the show. That would be just epic. And we released our debut single this August, and it's called House of Burnouts. So I'm going to kind of give you a little stripped down acoustic version. Unfortunately, I do not have the epic Shawnee Cope as my guitarist to do a sick solo, but we'll do without him for now. I've got secrets under the floorboards, they're whispering my woes. I don't think I can fit anymore, starting to overflow. I wish I could tell my friends, they're wasting so much time. I don't really plan on sticking around, just not a problem of mine. I've spent days and nights and highs and lows in the house of burnouts, burnout souls, and you hate your life, so you pick up our mind like a 90s soap opera ahead of its time. I'm a bad influence between bad decisions and 5 a.m. I change my mind so often, regret it one last time. It's been a year since I disappeared, my face on the page of a magazine. I've spent days and nights and highs and lows in the house of burnouts, burnout souls, and you hate your life, so you pick up our mind like a 90s soap opera. Days and nights and highs and lows in the house of burnouts, burnout souls, and you hate your life, so you pick up our mind like a 90s soap opera ahead of its time. All that money on all those drugs, don't you wanna spend it on what you're proud of? Go ahead, find a bed, always room it outpatient. Spent all my days and nights and highs and lows in the house of burnouts, burnout souls, and you hate your life, so you pick up our mind like a 90s soap opera ahead of its time. I've spent days and nights and highs and lows in the house of burnouts, burnout souls. Hate your life, so you pick up our mind. 90s soap opera ahead of its time. Wow! Thank you. That was House of Burnouts, and there's a music video and everything for that song. We had too much fun with that song in the studio and the video making. All right. So this next one, this next song holds a really dear spot in my heart, and I wrote it for my late grandfather. That all due respect to all my friends and family and supporters, but he hands down was the biggest supporter of my music career. Never asked me what my backup plan was, or if a show went bad. There was no criticism. He was not capable of it. He always wanted to know what was next, and he just really inspired me. So this song is called 1212, and I recorded this in Nashville as well this summer, so it's got a great spot in my heart. I watched you slowly wither away, shell of a person to a disease it only takes. And shame on me for making this about myself. I am who I am because of you and no one else. He's still here, I just gotta look a bit closer, and he's still here. Don't forget all that he taught you. I'll curse the clock on your behalf. You were taken way too fast. He's still here, I just gotta look a bit closer. Laughter coming from a room of sorrow, tears and smiles shared and borrowed. And I'm sitting in the corner, losing my composure. No disrespect, I can't come closer than it's real. My head is reeling. I just gotta look a bit closer, and he's still here. Don't forget all that he taught you. I'll curse the clock on your behalf. You were taken way too fast. He's still here. I just gotta look a bit closer. We were just getting started. Chocolate malts and not my faults. I cross my T's like you. Watch the jets so angel blue. We were just getting started. Careers, college, finding hearts. I know I need a couple more eyes watching me. Well, he's still here. Why can't you be louder? If you're still here, why can't you be louder? I'll curse the clock on your behalf. You were taken way too fast. He's still here. I wouldn't be on stage without you. I wouldn't be this loud without you. Oh, I wouldn't be on stage without you.